Hi, in this video we will see how you can easily make a postpaid bill payment to clear dues of your previous telecom operator Vodafone Idea. Click on the URL sent via SMS on your number. Alternatively, enter the URL you see on the screen. This link is also available in the video description. Enter mobile number. Enter account number. You can locate your account number in your Vodafone Idea postpaid bill. Account number is mentioned on the first page of bill. Enter email address and amount due. Select appropriate payment option and proceed with payment. On successful payment, details will be displayed on screen. Click on Print for downloading payment receipt. Now let's see how you can reach Vodafone Idea for an inactive number having an outstanding amount or for account details. You can find location-wise customer support number in the URL below. You can also email their support desk by writing to customercare@vodafoneidea.com. Or to locate touchpoints, click on the Contact Us in Help section on their website. Don't forget to share payment details with us by calling on 199 or share payment details by writing to us on care@jio.com or connect with us via chat in My Jio app. Come on India! Jio Digital Life.